This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. Install JDK 11 or later and set Java Home so tools run predictably. Next, download the Android SDK command line tools and extract them to a stable folder. This avoids path confusion. Once done, add the SDK platform tools and tools/bin to your path so SDK Manager and a DB are available everywhere. You should then run SDK Manager licenses and accept agreements. This clears a common blocker and lets you install platforms and build tools cleanly. Once basic access is ready, use SDK Manager to install platform tools, the specific build tools version, and the Android platform API levels you target. This ensures reproducible builds. Make sure to install system images only if you need emulators. If you prefer command line CI, avoid Android Studio and script SDK Manager calls instead. Also set Android SDK root or Android Home so Gradle and other tools locate the SDK. Finally, verify with a DB devices and SDK Manager list to confirm installed packages. You finish by building and testing. Run the project's Gradle wrapper, /gradlu assemble debug or assemble release, so builds are consistent across machines. Deploy to a device with a DB install or create an AVD using AvManager and run the emulator for quick iteration. If something breaks, make sure path, Java Home, and Android SDK root are correct. Then run SDK Manager update and check build tools and platform versions to match your Gradle config. A single troubleshooting tip: Google Play signing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.